Hello dear students, today we are studying about the chapter time and calendar. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn how to measure the time. Okay, how to read the time properly, and also about this calendar. Okay, so the basic things that you will learn in this chapter. Okay, so what is time? So we are actually using for reading the time. This is very important things in our life. Isn't it? So when we are going outside, someone is asking the time, we must know how to read the time properly, isn't it? So that time has that much importance in our lives. Also, we are using the calendar in our life. We know that how many months are in a year, isn't it? Like that, the basic things we already know, and some more things we will learn in this year. Okay. So in the time, when we are going to the time, first thing we know about the water, the things that is called the clock. Okay. This clock actually is designed like this way. It has starting 12 here, 6 here, 3 here, 9, and in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Like this way it is arranged. Okay. So in between these things are again further divided into how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So these things are called minutes. Okay. So here 5 is there, then this becomes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 5, 5 like that it's going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 10, this 2 is 10, 3 is 15, 4 is 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So total this much you will get. Okay. So this is called 60 minutes. So in this 60 minutes it's make an hour. So basically we must know that what is our hands. Okay. So basically in this clock we have 3 hands. So the small hand or thicker hands that we are called that we are using is called the hour hand. Okay, our hand, and the longest one that is called the minute hand. Okay, minute hand. Along this one, if a hand it is rotating very fastly. That is, it is actually longest, but the thickness is as compared to which one our minute hand it is less. So that is moving or rotating every time that you can usually see on the clock. Okay, it is going, that is called the second hand. Okay, so second hand. So these are the main things we can see on the clock. But usually when we are drawing the time, when you're taking, because second hand is moving very fastly, so if someone is asking the time, we will always say about the hour hand and only the minute hand. Okay, so second hand is there, second hand is moving rapidly, so that we in the clock when we are representing, we will use which hands, hour hand and minute hand only. Okay, understood? So that is the things we must know about what basically about a clock. Okay, so we know that the minute hands move. Okay, so sorry, the second hands move. Second hands move. It is start. Just imagine start from here. Second hand start from here and make a one revolution. Okay, so second hands move like this way, tick 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 tick, isn't it? So it moves and it complete one revolution, one complete revolution. Okay, it means how many seconds? It is called 60 seconds. Okay, so this is 1 second, like that. How many seconds? 60 seconds. It makes what 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Then when second hands moves and second hands moves like this way and complete like this way, then our minute hand, just imagine that this is 12 o'clock, the minute hands moves to 1 point. Okay, so it's make a 1 minute, it moves to 1. Okay, then again second hands move, then it become 2 minutes, like that it will rotate, and after that this our minute hand will moves and complete one what a revolution. Our minute hand, our first second hands moves and it makes 60 seconds, make a 1 minute. Then our minute hand moves and it makes or complete one revolution, it's make a 1 hour. Okay, that time our hand will be moved to next point. Okay, for example, just imagine. Okay, so just imagine okay, now just imagine we are having a clock. Okay, now 12, 3, 6, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So just imagine this is what our hand is on here and the minute hand is on here. Okay, so this is what 11 o'clock. This is, we will write it as 11, it is hour, and this is what minute 11:00. When this is on this, the our minute hand is on 12, it will be read as 11 o'clock. Understand? It is on here. So this is 11 o'clock. When our second hand moves and complete one revolution, it goes to 12, sorry, 11, 1. Okay. Then moves to again second hand moves and complete one revolution, it become 11, 2. Like that, it will complete full rotation. That means it makes 60 minutes. Okay, it makes 60 minutes. That means second hand moves 1 minute, second hand move 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Like that, it will complete one revolution. Then our hand is also very moving very slowly, and when it completes 60 minutes, then our second, sorry, our hand will be on where is 12. That means it becomes 12 o'clock. Like that, if it is on 12 o'clock, when it is completing 60 minutes, okay, then it's become 1 o'clock. Understand? 60 minutes make up an hour. Our hand means moves to next point. Okay, like that, how many hours are in a day? You know that 24 hours are in a day. Our day is starting on midnight, 12 o'clock. Okay, that is called a 12 a.m. So this will detail we will study about a.m. p.m. like that things. Okay, so this is the basic things. So now it is for you to read the time. Okay, reading time longest way and shortest way is there. So this is 12:05. Okay, so we can read this 12 minutes past 5. Okay, like that we can read 12 minutes past 5. Okay, so it is sorry, not 12 minutes past 5. Okay, this is 5 minutes past 12. 5 minutes past 12. 5 minutes past 12. That means after 12, 5 minutes is over. Okay, so how can we read this one? 12:30. This is 30 minutes past 12. This is shows the hour, and this is what minutes. 30 minutes. So how can we read this one? 5:25. This is 25 minutes past 5. 25 minutes past 5. So this is the thing. 25 minutes past 5. Like that, this one 45 minutes past 6. Okay, so these are the things. This thing only you have to learn today, and the rest of things we will learn tomorrow. So this is called 45 minutes past 6. 45 minutes past 6. Like that, we read. Okay, like that we can write the time like this. This is the longest method, longest way. Okay, reading time, longest way and a short way. Okay, so this thing you have to study today, and the basic things also you have to follow. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.